So I'll try to make this as quick as possible. So modals and alerts. So many times we are going to need modals or alerts to display some crucial information. So let me just start on my one and say show alert. Okay, so this show alert, right? So when you press this, what do you want to do? We want to show the code. So here we can just say show, and as you can see we have a lot of them over here. So here we just want show dialog, show dialog, right? So context, and a builder is also context. So we are going to say context. Okay, put your semicolon at the back, and then here you can either use the arrow function, that is this and then this, okay, and then return whichever widget. I don't want that, so I'll just use this thing. This, if you use this thing, it means you need to bring the return statement. So what I'm going to show is what am I showing? Alert dialog. So alert dialog, and we are going to have a title, say it's a widget, right? Text which says first alert, and then we have the content which says text hello world, my alert. Okay, so we can end this like this. So when I click on this, it shows us an alert, first alert, and then the content is hello world, my alert. If you click outside, it closes. Okay, so we can also add something like actions. So actions are the buttons that are going to be displayed. So I'm just going to use filled button, and I'm not going to put any action in here. I'm just going to put a text that says close. Okay, so when I do this, we have, this is the action, the button that says close, right? Okay, when I click on this, it doesn't do anything because I didn't supply anything here. So here you can just do what we learned earlier, navigator.pop. okay, so when we pop, sorry, it also closes the alert because it's also part of the stack. So this is on top, this is below it, so it's part of the stack. So so you have to rebuild it. So click on this, it shows, now it closes. Okay, so that is the case. Now you can come to this alert dialog and see not the alert dialog but this show dialog. You can come here and then add this barrier dismissible, right? And then you put it to false. So when you do that, this simply means that if you touch outside, should it close or not? So if you do this, basically when you touch outside, it should close. But if you set this to false, when you tap outside, it doesn't close. So we can only close it with this button. So that is the use of this function. So that is the alert. You can add icons, you can add images, whatever you want to do. I'll show you the next thing, which is which one is the next thing? So that's an alert in a dialog, right? You can put anything there. So the next thing, I'll just show you okay, the content of this alert. I'll just change this from test and I'll say circular progress indicator. There's also a widget, and which one should I say? Width, stroke width, and I'll say 5 pixels. So let's have this. So when you click on this, what is this? What is all this? So I can wrap this inside a sized box. Is this even ideal? Usually I wrap this inside a center widget. to center. So I need to show this again. Good. So basically this is how it appears, but I don't know why it's showing like this. I don't have time to do this right now. So this is a basic alert widget showing the circular progress indicator, or we can use the linear progress indicator. It doesn't take this value, but it takes a value. So I'll close this, and then you see a linear progress indicator. That's a line. So I'll see what should I even do? Value color. I'll see color is the green. Oh, it's an animation color. I won't do that, Masa. So let's just stick to this. Let's even go back to this. Okay. Alright, so that is for alert and then dialogues. Okay. And which one should I use again? We have one more. Oh, we have a lot of them, but then let's look at this. Which one? Return. Instead of this alert widget, I'm going to delete all that. Not. So I'm going to start from the show dialog. Okay, so I'm going to do this show dialog, but we have show modal. The modal. Okay, sorry, we have the modal bottom sheet, right? So I'm going to take this away. So here we can return an actual widget like container, and then I'll say colors the green. Why do I keep typing colors like this? Okay, so this model bottom sheet, right? It pops up from the bottom like this. So this is a bottom sheet. You click outside, it closes. So that's the modal bottom sheet. When you click outside, it closes. So you can style this up like, you can see decoration, shape decoration. You see, I have to delete the color. So shape, rounded rectangle, and say border radius that, sorry, border radius, the circular, is it circular? That's so let me use only, so top right, I'll say 30, sorry, radius, the circular 30. So I'm just rounding the top right corner. So I will just show the dialog, and then the top, I meant top right, but it's showing for the two. Well, it's not bad. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Oh, so you can even give this a child and see text modal sheet. So we get this. Oh, there's what we have. Okay, we can have that, and then add height to it. And say height 250. So we can do that. Yes. So we do this, and we have this. Hey, what is that? Width, I would say 500. I don't know yet, but I think 500 should do. So this is that. Okay, forget about the design. We also have show modal, show bottom sheet, right? Now this one is not a modal, so when you Oh, it doesn't show. What's wrong? What's wrong? No scaffold widget found. So are we not inside a scaffold? We are in a scaffold. So we can add. Let me go back. Do this again. No scaffold widget found. Okay. You can add a key to this. Final scaffold S key, because scaffold. Let me not do this. Right now. So I'm not going to show a bottom sheet over here. I'm going to show you different widgets instead. I don't want us to. So which one should I use? Scaffold. I think this is also going to give me the same error. Scaffold messenger. That's of contest. Yeah, this is also going to give me. So off, and then a contest, and then say show snack bar, and then the snack bar, say snack bar. This is flatter. So the content is a widget, so I'll say text. I said you tricked me. If this doesn't work, I'm ending this session right now. Let me clean this. Okay, so you tricked me here. So this is the snack bar. Okay, yeah, it displays here. You can modify it to place them wherever you want, but then that's not what I'm trying to do right now. There are a lot of things here. You can add close, show close icon to true. So when you show it, you can have a close icon here to dismiss the widget. Okay, I think this is okay. There are lots more topics to cover, so bye. We are done for this introductory section. Bye.